Are you looking for that factory finished crimp for your shot shells and you're on a budget? I use the GAEP Taper-Edge Crimp Finisher, BN2, in a drill press. I didn't find much information on how to set up or use this device. This is what I have found by trial and error. This is a cheap Harbor Frieght drill press at 750 RPM, the slowest it goes. At this speed, I apply quite a bit of pressure on the first stroke. I have found that too light of pressure or too long of exposure, it creates more heat than needed on the case and it starts to melt. On the second and third strokes, I apply very light pressure and this helps to round over the case edge.